arrive in style with this Dodge 2013 Challenger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 26H Rallye Redline, 1-year SIRIUSXM radio service, 276-watt amplifier, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, Bluetooth registered trademark streaming audio, CD player and MP3 decoder. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.